The most commonly asked question I get from CPAs and accountants is, can I do it? They have a full-time job, they want to have their own practice, and they have fear whether or not that they can succeed. Well, I'm going to tell you, you can do it, but you're the one that's going to make it happen. I can tell you what to do, how to do it, I can give you the materials to do it with, and I can give you all the help and support for free and whatever you need for as long as you need it for, but you're the one that's going to make it happen. Don't let fear stop you from where it is you need to be. Remember this, the first step is to recognize a situation that needs change. And if you don't take action to change it, the situation you have today is going to be the exact same situation you have tomorrow. You're the one that's going to make it happen. And the best way to succeed is to give yourself the greatest opportunity to succeed. And the way I've done that for the last 20 years, assisting over 2,000 CPAs develop their own practice, is I have them start first by developing practice on the side. I don't tell them to go jump off a cliff and quit your job and start your own practice. If you do that, you're going to put all kinds of unnecessary fear placed upon yourself and all kinds of unnecessary pressure. You don't need that. What you need is an opportunity to be successful. So what you do is you give yourself that opportunity. You start a practice out of your home on the side. And when you start practicing on the side out of your home, two things are going to happen. First is you're going to start developing cash flow, which is going to help tremendously when you make that full-time transition. But what's much more important than cash flow is confidence. I can tell you something works. I can give you the materials that do work, but until you actually do it and experience it, then you know it works. And when you know something works and you have confidence that you can do it, that takes the pressure and the stress off of you. I have worked with CPAs who literally from one day had a job to the next day, they didn't have a job. They became terminated. I one time worked with a CPA who lost a job who was making over $20,000 a month. In fact, he called me up and he said, "Frank, can I develop my own practice that will generate $15,000 a month in 1 year?" And I told that individual, I don't know. I mean, that's an awful lot of revenue to generate in such a short period of my time. But he told me, "Frank, I've got no choice. I have to. I won't be able to pay my bills." Well, you know what? He started from scratch without one client. He started out of his home. Yes, I told him what to do. Yes, I gave him the materials to do it. But yes, he's the one who made it happen. And in his first year, he did bill over $200,000 in clients. And today he's got over a $1 million practice. And you see, the unfortunate thing of losing his job became a very fortunate thing in his future. Because if he hadn't lost his job in the days gone by, he would not have the life that he has today. Yes, you can do it. You're the one that's going to make it happen, but you've got to be the one to take action to make it happen. Otherwise, it will not happen, and the life you have today will be the life you have tomorrow. So give yourself the life that you want in the future and make the changes in your life today that need to be changed to give yourself the freedom and life that you deserve.